In this short tutorial, you will learn how to delete your search history on TikTok. Deleting your search history can help you maintain privacy and keep your TikTok activity confidential. Luckily, TikTok provides a simple and straightforward process to remove and delete search history. To get started, open up the TikTok app and then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, scroll down a bit, and you'll see an option called Activity Center. Tap on it. What you want to do next is tap where it says Search History. Now you'll see all of your search history on TikTok. If you want to delete any of the searches you made, tap Select at the top right. And then tap and select what you want to delete. You can also select all search history by tapping over here. Once you've done that, tap on the Delete button at the bottom right corner. Tap Delete one more time to confirm it. Now you've successfully deleted all of your TikTok search history. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.